So on the right hand side now that we go, you're going to see the gate, that is gate number 17. Like that, there are a lot of other gates from where you can hop onto a shikara and go for a shikara ride. So last evening we went for a shikara ride for about an hour and a half. That was in the evening and we were running a little late. So when we boarded the shikara, it was around
Head northwest on Boulevard Road.
It was around 5:30 in the evening.
In 300 meters,
So,
turn left toward Boulevard Road.
I think that was not a very good time to go for a shikara ride as the sun was already setting. So if you want to go for a shikara ride, make sure you're here by 4:35 in the evening, and it is going to be a little sunny around that time. But trust me, when the sun goes down, the beauty of the Dal Lake, and if you want to take some pictures and experience the lake with the lights at the night, it's going to be interesting, and also you're going to like it. So since we couldn't experience the day and the night we did experience, so we couldn't experience the daytime, that is the evening, so we're going to go for it once again today evening.
So again guys, this is the place where most of the shikara rides start out. There are multiple gates where you can board a shikara. Be aware of people who approach you with offers and deals, right? But try to always go with a government authorized shikara ride. And based on our experience, what we found out was the ideal time to start a shikara ride is maybe 4:35 p.m. in the evening. Definitely not in the afternoon, at least in this season, because it's very sunny. And there are several hotels and places for you to shop also. And the shikaras can normally let's say dock at one of those hotels or restaurants where you can have a meal. There is also a huge shopping center called Meena Bazaar where the shikaras normally stop. And another aspect is the shikaras normally have two types of rides. One is for a 25-minute ride and another one is a 1-hour ride. So you can choose based on your preference.
Take the next left toward Old Gadrabal Road, then turn left onto Old Gadrabal Road.
Take a left.
Okay. So this is the view of the Dal Lake. I would suggest कि आप जो भी बाय कर रहे हो, do go for a bargain. अगर मीना बाज़ार में कुछ भी बाय कर रहे हो, तो जो भी वो लोग आपको कोटेशन या फिर कुछ भी रेट देंगे, तो आपको बार्गेनिंग स्किल्स आपकी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप जब भी आओ तो कीप इन माइंड दैट आपको बार्गेन करना ही है. और दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट फ्लोटिंग पोस्ट ऑफिस ऑफ इंडिया. और अवॉइड गोइंग फॉर एनी गाइड्स, क्योंकि वो आपको पागल बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. That is it. Keep enjoying this view. Hello vlog, welcome to our guys. So today is a new day. So we are docking into Shikara.
Brother, go 1 hour.
कुछ कम करेंगे तो जाएंगे.
I will make it 1200. बस अब उससे कम नहीं जा सकता.
हाँ आ जाएंगे.
You want to sit here?
I'll sit there.
दोनों बैठ रहे हो? तो मैं इधर मिडिल में बैठ.
एक सेकंड.
डर क्यों लग रहा था
नहीं मैं नहीं डर रही हूँ, संदेश नहीं उतर रहा।
जब उतरी तो
तू कोई एक साइड में हो जा
फोटो ले ले उसके बाद मैं
So hi. So how is your experience today? Yeah, actually अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा टाइम है.
So we are right now at the Boulevard Road, where you can see the Dal Lake, and we are on the adjacent street of the Dal Lake towards Shankaracharya Hills. So we are on our way to the famous Shankaracharya temple on the Shankaracharya Hill in Srinagar. So let's see how the route is, and let's go. So this is the third day of our visit in Srinagar, and today is 29th September, Thursday. So meanwhile, let me introduce you to the people inside the car as well.
You don't have to introduce us.
We need no introduction.
Because we were already in the video previously.
Alright, so this is Sandeep. The screen is off.
Still recording.
Okay. This is Yugo. Hi Yugo. That is Shreyash. And this is me. Hello.
So we are on the foothills of the Shankaracharya temple hill right now. Over the last 3-4 days, right, we've seen a lot of security checkposts where a lot of CRPF, military or border security force is posted. But this was the first time where our car was stopped for a check, right? So they only check for your ID and the details of passengers traveling. We did not face any issues so far.
So So we are on our way to the Shankaracharya temple. It is a Hindu temple situated on the top of Shankaracharya hill. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is 1,000 feet above the valley, and this temple is visited by Kashmiri Hindus. It is also considered as a Buddhist icon. The temple and the land adjacent to it is a monument of national importance. Hence, it is also protected by Archaeological Survey of India. And this temple is considered as the oldest temple in Kashmir, historically and traditionally. I think you can look it up on Google, Wikipedia, and find more information about this. And it is also believed that Shankaracharya in the 8th century had visited this place, and hence it was named after him as Shankaracharya Hill and the Shankaracharya temple, whereas the Lord inside is Lord Shiva. So this is very popular. The Kashmiris celebrate Mahashivratri as Herat. So during that festival, this entire place is like lit up, and the festival is celebrated on this hill. And that's all about the Shankaracharya temple for now.
From a perspective of visiting this place, right? So this is very close to the Dal Lake. In fact, from the top of this mountain, the Dal Lake is clearly visible, and it is not very far from the Srinagar city itself. I think it's just a few kilometers of a drive upwards. Yeah, and the mountain is also visible from the Dal Lake. So when you visit Srinagar, you will see several mountains around, and one of these mountains is the Shankaracharya hill.
You can also see the temple on the top of the hill, which is lit up at night, and you can see if you're on taking a shikara ride on Dal Lake, and in the evening if you hear the Gayatri mantra being played, you have to know that it's coming from the Shankaracharya temple.
And for those of you who are from Karnataka or Bangalore, right, so this drive actually feels like the drive towards Nandi Hills or to the top of the Nandi Hills. Pretty similar experience. We've reached the Shankaracharya temple. The parking was very limited, but once you finish parking, you have a small security checkpoint, after which you have to climb these stairs. And because our health is not exactly on top, we are finding it difficult to climb these steps.